So this tragic incident of crowd panic and stampede at a football game in Indonesia, obviously, words can't explain the sadness of fans going out to watch a football match, and at the end of the day, over 100 people, including children, lost their lives. And of course, this is a slam dunk case. The security forces in Indonesia were at fault, totally, firing tear gas into a passionate football crowd at the end of a derby game because people them run onto the field. No, sir, that is silly, stupid, and excessive. Football fans storming onto football fields is nothing new. It happens all over the world. We see it in Europe, we see it in Asia, we see it in Africa, even in Jamaica. Is it right? No. But is firing tear gas into the crowd justified? No. There have been many instances of crowd invasions all over the world. The Indonesian authorities should at least know that they cannot fire tear gas into a crowded stadium. It's just basic common sense. The officers who made that decision, I can bet you, them used to play jacks and dan the shandy, and they don't understand the psyche of crowds or the passion of football. This is so sad.